As Vice-Chancellor of the MUBAS, I reaffirm our commitment to supporting government's development agenda, strengthening science, technology, and innovation, and ensuring that higher education remains relevant, responsive, and impactful.
Hello, my name is Michelle Mapiwa, a fourth-year student doing Bachelor's of Science in Quantity Surveying of the School of Built Environment. The School of Built Environment is responsible for transferring knowledge and skills of land management and man-made environments such as roads, buildings, and town planning.
My name is Damanda Masamba, a final year student of Business Administration, Market, under the School of Business and Economic Sciences. The School of Business and Economic Sciences is a multi-professional school that trains across business and economic sciences spectrum through its professional teaching and learning.
My name is Isaiah Gasonda, pursuing my Bachelor's in Business Communication in my fourth year under the School of Education, Communication and Media Studies. So the School of Education, Communication and Media Studies is responsible for providing teaching, learning, research, consultancy and outreach services in applied education, communication and media studies.
My name is Brian Zimbili. I'm studying automobile engineering in year 4. The School of Engineering is responsible for transferring knowledge and skills to produce professionals with skills and competencies in different engineering fields.
My name is Lorraine Mwase. I am currently pursuing my Bachelor's of Science in Management Information Systems in the School of Science and Technology. The School of Science and Technology delivers high-quality technology-driven education and applied research while producing skilled graduates to address societal and industrial challenges.
Ladies and gentlemen, this facility today stands as a practical demonstration of the vision that we've had all this time. It shows that Malawi can industrialize by leveraging local knowledge, local talent, and local institutions. It also demonstrates that universities can be centers of production, centers of innovation, centers of value addition, not just merely centers of instruction.